Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company YSwig. But before I get started on all the details, guys, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and also turn your notifications on because you do not want to miss out on any of my videos. Of course, I always like to show the packaging that I received from the company. The only thing that came in this box was the wig cap. That's it. That's all you're gonna get. And then you do get your wig. Now this one I will be showing you guys is their 13x6 lace front wig. This one is their loose curly Brazilian human hair. And this one is the Undetectable Dream HD lace, which you guys know that I love. I have the 22-inch, the 180% density. And this one I believe is a medium cap size. And with this one, like I said, you do get your HD lace. You get 2 combs on the side, a comb in the middle, and also a comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. This unit does come with some baby hairs. It also does come with a pre-plucked hairline, and they also do bleach the knots 2 inches in the front. So I did go ahead and wash and condition this unit. I used my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner. I also did go ahead and lightly bleach the knots. I used 30 volume developer and I just kept it on for about 30 minutes because one thing I wish that they would offer is to bleach the knots all the way. Even though their knots are small, I just feel like they're very dark. So the front of the hairline always looks good, but the rest of the knots I just feel like are a little bit too dark. So I wanted to go ahead and add a little bit of color to this unit. I kind of wanted to add some streaks within the front and I also wanted to see how well it was going to take to bleaching. So I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Beach Baby Lights and I will be using 30 volume developer also, and I will be placing that on the hair. It bleached very quickly, guys. I had no issues with the hair not turning and I did not have to leave it on for a very long time. I only left it on for about 10 minutes and the color came out really great. So like I always say, make sure you wear some gloves when you are doing this. I also had some foil. I just placed it underneath so that it wouldn't get everywhere, but then eventually I did have to move it and then I began to work with my hands. I don't know, I always end up working with my hands even when I have a brush. That's why I like to have on gloves, because I like to kind of, you know, get a feel of the hair and make sure that each strand is coated. And I just feel like with the brush I have to keep going back and forth to make sure it coats the hair. So y'all see me use my hands also. Of course, any other products that I use, I can leave them linked down below in the description area so you guys can find where to shop from, which most of the time I get it from either Sally's or Amazon. You guys can already see the color starting to come through, and I'm just using my fingers like I stated to make sure each strand is coated. And then once I get to the top by the root area, I'm gonna do strokes up and down so that it doesn't look like a harsh line. And then make sure you get underneath also. Do not forget the underside of the hair. Let that sit on for about 10 minutes like I stated, and then I washed it out again using the Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner. Now I am just going to place the unit on my head. The hairline looks really good. I love YSwig's hairlines. I think it looks great. Now I did go ahead and pluck out mine just a little bit more. Now I'm going to work on cutting off the lace. Their HD lace is really nice. It's very thin. It blends in very well. You're not going to have to worry about it looking too thick. The only thing is, like I always say with their HD lace, you have to be very careful. You do not want to be rough with that lace because it can tear. I'm also going to have to go around the ear area and cut off some of the lace. I thought I asked them for a small cap size. Maybe I didn't, but their mediums are always just really big on my head. So the next time I will make sure to get a small so I can see if that's going to make a difference without me having to cut off so much lace. I'm making sure to get up as close as possible with the lace, and because it blends in so well, it was very hard for me to see. So you will see some pieces of hair that I can easily grab off, which I will end up doing. I'm just trying to make sure that I cut off enough of lace. Today's application, I will be using the Olive Oil Fix It Super Hold Spray. And guys, this has been bae. Like, I have not even touched my Got To Be Free spray. This one does it enough for you. It is not super harsh. My forehead area has not been breaking out and getting red. Even, you guys know, sometimes I do multiple videos a day and I have not had any problems with this. So if you don't have it, then you need to pick it up, okay? Now, I know they also have some type of glue. I'm not interested in trying that. Y'all know I try to stay away from the gel stuff, but this spray, it definitely does the job. Now, I'm going to take the blow dryer to speed up the process. I only do one layer of this spray and it works very well. I think that you can really get a very secure hold if you go in with two, but one layer is enough for me. It works well. I don't have to worry about it popping off. Now, you guys know in the front of the hairline, I spray on top of the lace, and then on the sides, I spray under the lace. Why do I do that? I don't know. It works for me, and I don't have to keep trying to fix over by my edges, because of course by the ear tab and by my edges, it just takes more work for me to lay it down when I spray on top of the lace. It's looking good so far. The hairline looks very natural. I'm just going to go in with some wax, and I'm going to put it by the parting space at the top of the hair, and I'm also going to go around the hairline just to kind of smooth everything out. Now, with this texture, the wave pattern does not start at the root area, so I'm going to smooth it all out just to make sure that this is laying down really flat, especially because this cap size is big on me. So after I'm happy with how it is laying down, now it is time to go in with my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum. And I'm going to run this throughout the hair, mainly focusing on the front area where I added the bleach, because you do not want that to be dry. But it didn't feel dry at all. And what I love is, though, even though I did bleach the hair, the waves did pop back. They did not loosen up on me. It still looks really good. Running the serum through the hair, I did come across some shedding, but I did get some shedding when I did wash out the hair also. And this hair is very, very thick. It is definitely 180% in density. Sometimes the longer the hair and the density, it does not feel like a true 180%, but this one is thick, as you guys can tell. Gonna go in with my Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Creator Powder Palette in the color light medium, and I'm going to really just focus in the parting space. I could not find my Maybelline. That's what I have been using lately, but I can't find it, so this one will work. I'm not really focusing around the hairline too much because it still looks really good, but I'm going to put a little bit of powder just to kind of knock out some of the shine that the olive oil spray left. Now, this one does not get as shiny to me as the Got To Be Free spray, because I noticed a lot of shine with that one. This is the final look, guys. It definitely all came together. Even though this hair is a natural color, I'm getting more of a 1B vibe. They do offer this unit in the natural color, a 1, a 1B, a 2, and a number 4. Now, the number 4 is going to run you some extra coins. Okay, now, like I stated, I did get a little bit of shedding with this unit, and I also did get some snags in the nape area. The ends of the hair were fine. I did not notice a lot of dryness, and the serum, if I did see any, it definitely took care of it. But It looks really good. I'm able to tuck it behind my ear comfortably without worrying about it looking bulky. This is a lot of hair. Like I stated, I have the length 22 inches. This unit goes all the way up to 24 inches and it starts at 8 inches. And then the density amounts that you can get on this unit is 130%, 150%, the 180%, which is what I have, and then you can also get 200%. I feel like this 180% is fine. In fact, it's a little bit much hair for me, so I feel like you can even probably get away with the 150%. As far as the hairline and the lace and the parting space, I think it looks good. I didn't even really have to add any powder around the hairline. I just did it to knock out a little bit of shine in the very front. It looks good. The parting space is fine. I feel like you could pluck it out a little bit more if you wanted to. Like I said, the only thing that I wish is that they would bleach the knots all the way. But I know sometimes most companies don't like to do that because then they don't want to worry about over bleaching. This unit can also be made in the fake scalp if that is something that you are interested in. So let me know what you think about this unit. What do you think about the touch of color that I added? If you are interested in this, I will make sure to leave all the details down below once again. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share this video. Don't be stingy, share it, like, and I will see you guys the next time. Bye guys.